Hello and good morning. Wanted to come on and go over a couple just concealer tips and tricks. Okay, first and foremost, discoloration and crepiness, some fine lines under the eye. We're never really truly going to get rid of them, right? The eye area is a big area of expression. Just lean into embracing it, right? The eyes tell so much about our story, the good times, the bad times, etc. But these expression lines under here, embrace them. They're part of you. They're not going anywhere. We can kind of manage them and control them with certain products, techniques, etc. But let's just focus on makeup for now. Two things that I want you guys to start doing. I want smaller brushes when we apply, okay? So small brush means more control, right? We don't want these humongous brushes, hard to get up and under here, and again, hard to control the product and what the end look is gonna be. I never want you to take the doe foot applicator and just swipe concealer on. Way too much product, okay? Not gonna be your friend. So let's go over. This is the Westman Atelier Vital Skincare Concealer. I like it. So many of these formulations are good, right? There's so much technology in makeup now. If you're using good skincare and exfoliating a good amount and pushing your skin, then you're gonna have a beautiful base for the makeup to sit on. So people ask all the time, what foundation are you liking? What concealer are you liking? Truth be told, they're all gonna finish a little bit differently on different skins. Knowing how to manipulate and play with them is where the true power lays, because so many of them are good, right? Can't really choose. So, a little bit of concealer. Take some of this on this kind of short bristled, right? Short, dense bristles mean a little bit more color payoff or color deposit. And we're gonna prime the brush. When I prime the brush, all the product is in here, right? It's not gonna go anywhere. It just gives me more control. So I have a little bit of redness out here at the corner. I'll put a little bit there. Your ring finger is gonna be your best friend. Maybe a little bit here, kind of open this eye up a little bit. And then where I have a little bit of discoloration, tiny bit of concealer. Maybe skim it right along that lash line underneath. I like to take brown powder and just kind of put it under there daily, so that just helps to soften it. Less product and really pressing it in will be your best friend, because remember, we're gonna laugh, we're gonna express throughout the day, so things are gonna fall into creases. It just is what it is. There's no way we are ever gonna stop it. If you see something online that has no texture or expression under the eye, it's filtered and it's not real. I can also take a little bit of this, I haven't done my brows yet, and skim it up here. Give me a little bit of a lift on my hooded eye. I'm not gonna take concealer today and go in here, because like I told you guys, if we do this, then it's like you get a powder over it, and then I'm just gonna put brown shadow there anyway. It's a Tuesday, I'm just doing my makeup as I would on a normal work day. If I was going to an event, I might neutralize my lid, powder it, and then go in with layers of eye makeup, but today is soft and easy. So you can see side to side, brighter, more awake, lifted. This will do the same exact thing too, but again, teeny tiny amount of product that I use, and I still have a good amount left over. So, and again, ring finger is gonna be your best friend. Blend, blend, blend. What do we think? Good? Good as it's gonna get.